Our lives were transformed with this vacuum.
What? You were easily pleased, Mike.
No, this is the finest vacuum in the world. It's called the Shark.
I've heard of it.
Because you know how shark consumes all the little fish? This consumes
yeah.
every piece of dirt. It's the
Alright.
most, you know, normally, we couldn't believe it when we went to the Albion River Inn where we stay, the Albion
Yeah.
River. We saw the crew, the cleaning crew, the
you did? They had one?
the chambermaids. They had 6 of these.
Did they
This is
really?
like almost an industrial quality because of its enormous flexibility.
Really?
This is a Shark vacuum, and it would just transform my life. I actually, you know, another thing, I never enjoyed vacuuming. I hated it.
Right.
This actually is enjoyable. Okay, so let me just get you a good idea. First of all, you have to set it. This is just for the normal. Look at the way. Look at this. You've got tremendous flexibility, right? Come over there. Come over there and shoot straight on. So, Bill, right?
Yeah.
Look at that flexibility, right? It's light. And look at the lights, Jane. It's light, you can see. Okay, now, Bill, another thing is, I can't get back there. Oh my God, what do I do? Are you ready? Watch this. We move there.
Oh my God.
Look at that. And there's a light, a separate light. Look at this, Jane. You see? Now, if I want to go to the hardcore thing, a little hand thing, and it has a light which gives you the, oh my God, we go out and stow. You stow it. Back in, right?
That is
Back to your vacuuming. Now, watch. We're vacuuming. Then I say, oh my God, I think I need to get up there. Are you ready, Bill? Connect. And now, Bill, look. Total flexibility. Up here, getting the length. Look at that, length of that thing. And I can go back to the more of that if you want, and just get in these tight places like that without even going up. So, notice. Stow. Stow it. Watch it, Bill. Got it? Look at that. Ready to back throw. Okay, I've got a floor setting and a drop rug. This is the carpet setting. Now, Bill, move away. So, Bill, I can't seem to get under certain things. Are you ready?
Yes. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at that. I went under the whole bed with this. Look, Bill, it almost goes vertical.
That's amazing.
I went under the whole bed. Look at that. The whole unit went away. Lock it back in, Bill. Ready to roll.